Thanks to the Snap menu in Windows 11, you can now easily place your windows in layouts to make them easier to see. The good news is that accessing the feature is easy, and here's how. So to get started, once you have a window open, you can simply hover the cursor over the Maximize button in the title bar. Now ensure you don't click the Maximize option, but only hover the cursor. Now if nothing happens, wait for a few seconds, and when the Snap menu appears, choose where to place the first window. Like for an example, if you choose the side-by-side option, the window will be on your right or your left side. Then when you choose the location for the first window, you will see the remaining windows on one side. So choose one of these windows, which will be placed on the opposite side. Now if you're unhappy with the size, you can always resize it by placing the cursor in the middle, then drag and hold them to the size you want. Now whichever design you decide to go with, this will depend on what you're currently working on. So that's how you can use the Snap menu of your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.